Not all pets are furry or even warm-blooded for that matter. Today's question for our pet vet on call: is it okay to keep a box turtle as a pet?
Yes, if you are committed to providing the proper resources and habitat for him. You need a good sized aquarium. A large aquarium, about 3 foot by 1 foot, is recommended. A proper substrate for him to get along on, even bury himself if he needs to. He needs ultraviolet light in there to mimic the sunlight. You need a cool side and a warm side so he can find the proper temperature for him. You need plants in there, you need hiding places in there, you need good nutritional food, and you need a shallow water source. These are not water turtles. Do not throw them in an aquarium full of water. They need a shallow water source so they can drink water and cool off a little bit if they get in there. Husbandry is total key, and there are all sorts of advices and helpful hints on the internet and in books. So get that. If you're willing to do that, then yes. If you can't provide all of that, then no, it's not okay to have a box turtle as a pet.
We invite questions from anyone. If you have a question, you just send it to petvet@koamtv.com. Dr. Eva Dudek from the Parsons Pet Hospital answers a different question or brings us a fun fact every Wednesday on KOAM News at 5. You can also find answers to previous questions on our website. Let's check out our picks of the litter for the week. From the Joplin Humane Society, we've chosen this adult female short-haired cat. Her name is Squeakers. And from the Southeast Kansas Humane Society, we have a 4-month-old black lab retriever mix. Looks like his ears might blow in the wind. His name is Voodoo. If you're looking for a pet, why not check out your local Humane Society?